In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to updates on a specific to-do item within your project management software. Keeping track of changes to important tasks is crucial for staying up to date and ensuring seamless collaboration with your team. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to receive notifications every time there's an update on your chosen to-do, making it easy for you to stay in the loop. Let's begin by opening the project that contains the to-do you want to follow. This is your starting point because, naturally, you need to be in the correct project environment where all your tasks and lists reside. So, navigate to your project, and once you're there, we're ready to dive deeper. Next, you'll want to find the specific to-do. For this step, head over to the To-Dos section within your project. It's here that your task lists are stored, and your interest will be focused on the list where your desired to-do item lives. Open that list and scan through to identify the particular to-do that you want to keep tabs on. Once you've found it, click on the to-do's title to open its details page. This is where all the magic happens. You'll now be presented with a more detailed view of the to-do, showing you everything from comments to due dates and more. Direct your attention to the section underneath the comments area, labeled "Who Gets Notified When This To-Do Changes?" This is precisely where you can manage your notifications. Right here, look for either the subscribe button or a prompt that says +add remove people. Sometimes interfaces can vary, but these buttons are your gateway to subscribing to notifications. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can select who will receive updates about any changes to this specific to-do. To keep yourself informed about every development, make sure to check your name from the list of team members. If there are others on your team who should also be in the loop, you can select them too. This feature is particularly helpful if you're working collaboratively and wish to ensure everyone relevant is notified. After you've made your selections, click either Done or Save Changes, depending on what the button is labeled in your interface. By doing this, you've successfully subscribed to the to-do. Congratulations! You are now set up to receive notifications for all future updates on that specific to-do item. This means you'll have real-time updates on progress, comments, or any modifications, allowing you to maintain a clear and organized understanding of how the task is evolving. Make sure to use this simple process for any to-do items you need to monitor closely. Whether it's a task you're directly involved with or one that simply requires your oversight, staying informed ensures you're always prepared to act swiftly and effectively. Happy organizing!